having a little holiday party tonight, actually a cake decorating party, and I'm throwing together a quick little recipe. It's actually my mom's, as they all usually are, and it's a rosemary lemon thyme, right, Mom?
Yeah, lemon.
A lemon, rosemary, not thyme, monkey bread. Oh, and Parmesan monkey bread. I will post the full recipe, but I will show you a quick tutorial of how I do it. So easy. First step is chopping all the rosemary like this. Little assistant over here is snacking. What are you having, miss? Cookie? What kind? Gingerbread? Show me your cookie.
Down.
Next step is these Grand's biscuits, Pillsbury biscuits, and you're gonna chop those up and put those in the bowl as well with the rosemary. Opening these things is the worst part. And that's even worse. Every time, it scares me. I did it wrong, so we gotta put the rosemary in here and then melt our butter in there, and then the biscuits go in the big bowl and then we pour it over. Okay, next step, you're gonna take your rosemary butter. There's 1 stick of butter because I'm making a smaller one, although usually it's gonna be 2. So we're just gonna pour that over the dough. Also, 1 container of Parmesan cheese, grated, or shredded actually. Okay, and then you're gonna take 1 lemon, cut it in half, and then squeeze the whole thing over the bowl. Okay, and then everything is gonna get all mixed together. It's easiest just to do it with your hands. And then we're gonna put it right in this small little bundt pan, although you could get a larger regular size bundt pan. I'm just doing a small one because I only have a couple of people coming over. And make sure that you grease it in the bottom with whatever you normally use. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put it in the oven on the middle rack and bake it for about 20 minutes at 250 because we don't want it to burn, and then another 15 minutes at 350, and just keep your eye on it. Okay, the rosemary monkey bread is finished and our guests have just arrived, so perfect timing. I just got it out of the oven. This is what it will look like. Actually, for some reason mine fell apart, but it usually stays the same as the bundt pan. But as you can see, it's a little bit golden brown, and the cheese is all melted. It's delish. All right, here we go.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Dig in, everyone.
I can't wait.